Can't start the video without a little wake up. What's good, y'all? We back with another video. For this video, I'm gonna be playing some window stickers. So I have my move over sticker, and I also have my dream Mopar sticker. So with the dream Mopar, I only got one, so I might just put it in the corner window. I'm not sure yet. So yeah, I got these two stickers today. Nah, yeah, this can't fit right here. So we gotta figure out where I want to put this today. I'm gonna do the move over sticker first. We could just put it up in the corner, but I feel like it's too small to go in just one spot. So I might just keep it right here just for the corner window and call it a day. But we will come back to this one. I got my little small squeegee bootleg one. I got some tape and my water alcohol mix just to clean the window because it's a little dirty, and my microfiber cloth. So I am solo dolo, so I'm not really sure how, and I'm on an elevated surface too. It's like a hill, so I'm not sure how I'm gonna put it on, but I got the tape. I'm gonna try to line up some areas and see what happens from there. So let me get it set up first, and then I'm gonna come back to y'all. Alright, so that should be good just to clean the front windshield, hopefully. So then with the move over sticker, like I said, I'm not sure how. I don't even know what part is even, but I'm gonna start off by taping just the corner just to at least get it started. Alright, so I found a good spot for it. I measured it up, it seems about even. Now I just gotta tape the middle part down. That should be a little bit good. I'm gonna make an outline. No, damn. All right, y'all, so when I went to go peel the thing off, it ended up sticking to the back of this paper right here. So like I peeled it off, and the Jen just said whoosh, it flew right over and stuck to the back of this. So now, oh, I can't even hold it no more. So now I can't even peel this off because it's gonna be a necessary struggle. So you know, I'm gonna show y'all the ups and downs. I fucked up on my side. So the over part is good. This part is still good, but I can't use it no more because the whole part is gone. So somebody in the club said they go look out for me, and they got one for me already made. So I'm gonna go pull up on them probably a little bit later. I might go get my haircut and stuff. So I'm gonna pull up on them. We go get another one, and hopefully I can put it on right this time without messing up. But yeah, I messed up. Yeah, I messed up big time. I messed up big time. So I'm gonna just peel these off right now. I'm upset. Cause I always have trouble putting on stickers. I even had trouble putting on their Kuma stickers as well. Me and stickers just don't never get along at all. So we're gonna take all these off. Cause I messed up. And like even with the Kuma sticker, I messed up on my Kuma sticker too. Not this one. This one I did a good job. It's a little bit of air bubbles, but nothing too serious. On the other side, I messed that one up just a little bit. I got a couple air bubbles. I don't know if you can see it due to the camera, but I got like a little bit of wrinkles and stuff right there. I'm gonna try it again when I get this other drink from him. Yeah, I messed up big time. So I don't know what I can do with this. I was thinking about like just putting each letter and spelling out over on the back, but that would make sense to be on the back. So I don't know, this is pretty much trash. I'm gonna just cut this off and keep the over part maybe. I might be able to switch colors depending on which one he got, so I'm gonna see what's up. So that's me messing up, and I'm gonna keep y'all updated. But I'm about to at least put the Dream Mopar sticker on correctly, hopefully, and we should be good to go from there. All right, so I decided to put the Dream Mopar on this side because I'm usually in the left lane and stuff, so a lot more people will see it on this side than the other side. So I won't mess this one up. I promise, I will not mess this one up. So I'm gonna go ahead and just clean it up real quick, then I'm gonna get back to y'all because I don't got like a tall tripod stand, so I'm gonna do it with one hand. I'm gonna come back. All right, so I finally did something right, and I got this on with no bubbles. So now I'm gonna just make sure I got all the air out. And this is also reflective red too, so if a light hit it, it will shine back at you. And I decided to elevate it just a little bit so it won't be on the numbers right here. Not like it really mattered, but that's just me. Alright, so now I'm pretty sure it's on there real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and start peeling. I'm gonna peel from this way. I gotta be careful for the letters might stick. And there we go. That's the first sticker out. Nope, I lied. I got 2 air bubbles right there. Look at that. These ants keep trying to eat me. Wow, I thought I did perfect. I got 1 air bubble right here. All right, that one out. Got 1 more like right there. All right, now it's semi-perfect. And like I said, it's reflective red, so if I shine some light on it, it's gonna shine just like this one. So it already looks a little brighter in the daytime, just a little bit, not too much, but I did something right. Let's go. All right, hear me out. I actually messed up and wasn't able to go get my sticker, the move over sticker. So this is like a day or 2 after what y'all watching right now, and so I do plan on getting another move over sticker. I'm just not sure what we're gonna do about it yet. I need to find out. Sorry for my fish tank, but I need to find out if I'm gonna get a different color, get it in white, and if I'm gonna get my wrap done when I get it done as well. So I'm sorry about the whole ending the video like this, but this is how I'm about to end it. So I'm gonna have to make sure I see y'all in the next one. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and all that fancy stuff, and stay tuned.